Well, good morning. Welcome to the Carrie and Lisa Show. We have got some things for you today. We've got some laminate flooring, we've got some cabinet work, we've got the cabinets showing up, and you're going to want to stick around and see this. These trailer houses always crack me up. Look, they put cord around right here on the corner of the door jambs. So far, what's been your experience with this flooring?
I like it. I think we'll buy something myself.
Yeah? Is it easy to put together?
It's a little finicky now and then.
Yeah, what's the...
These corners, now and then you'll get one that's a slightly, even though this side's tight, this side will be protruding out just a tad bit. And it's hard to kind of snap them together, especially it kind of pivots back and forth. But other than that,
Yeah, and this is what they call the smart cord. You can buy it at a certain outlet.
the Smart Crow Pro,
Smart Crow.
and you get it from something that rhymes. It rhymes with Lowe's.
So we've been basically cutting this stuff in two different ways. One way is you can scribe it, and it's actually pretty tough material, so be careful when you're doing it this way. And then it can snap. And we've been also using the miter saw, which works rather good as well.
It saves you about
All right, let's see how this thing fits. Oh boy, I can already see. It's like perfect here, but then I didn't give it enough room over here.
You know what you did?
This one. I just caught one working again. All right, this is take two. There it is. There it is. Problem with this we've been having is like the ends. There it is. Oh, kinda.
See one, you get one in and it pops
Yeah,
up.
and then the other end pops out. There it is. And then this end, see that's puckered, so it's got to go that way a little.
I see that's the one I have. And the cheap cars end up being everywhere else.
Mallet, square, money.
That cabinet here, huh? Oh, no, man, it feels good, even though it's a floating floor, it feels pretty solid.
No, it is. It is. So do you think we ought to just bring the cabinets in now and
Well, you're the most incredibly smart person I know on YouTube, so I guess yes, for your
Thank you so
for your
much.
suggestion.
Well, the cabinets are here, so we're going to start unboxing them and see about getting through the uppers in.
Now we got some new shelving. Put up. There. Nice.
Okay.
I didn't mean to step on it. That's an accident.
So obviously you have this little bit, this isn't even gonna be in the way of. It isn't in the way as far as marking it. And I have that gap there. That's what I'm just gonna do. I already cut it to length. Just gonna measure over it. 3.5. We'll go 3.5 to the top. So, and that's gonna be at an angle. So we'll just go 3/4 of an inch roughly. That should be this way.
Where are you pulling your tape off of? Are you pulling your tape from here, or are you pulling it from here?
I'm pulling it from here
And why is
because this gets tucked underneath there. So if you pull from here, you're gonna be short that much. So that's like a good,
Like a 1/4 inch.
yeah, it's a good, almost a 1/4 inch. So if you pull off that, your cut's gonna be, probably wouldn't be a big deal on this side because you have that.
Yeah, but as a general rule of thumb, this is the part that goes into the other.
Yeah, when you're cutting against like a wall, if these are going this way, that would be a big deal, especially with how thin the base is.
Another know-it-all.
It's good. You get a tape measure, and you're gonna measure all these cabinets out and where they're supposed to go on the wall, and we're gonna mark those out right now. So we decided the best course of action here is to put it exactly where they came out. And so we're just gonna start off by snapping a line. However, these new cabinets are a little bit taller than the existing, and which means we're gonna have to cut a little of this. So let's go ahead and cut 2 inches off of this, Clancy, because we're going to wind up reskinning this anyways with some white material to match the cabinets. Because they're old cabinets with this new color. Yeah, and we want to. Alright, so this wall in question is a total of 78.5. We minus 30 from that, and we're left with 48.5. The cabinets total 78. You got 30 and you got 2 24s equals 78. So we have a 1/2 inch that we'll probably use as a filler. So we just need to decide which side is more advantageous, or maybe it doesn't even matter. We're doing here.
We're trying to find studs.
Doesn't look like there's one there. That looks like a winner. Winner chicken dinner. So then we just transfer these marks down, and that's how we know where the screws are going to be. And this one just happened to be on a seam. We knew where that one was. Studs turned out to be on 2-foot centers. We made a mark on 16 just in case. There was nothing behind there. No. So the best way to do this, we're going to measure off the wall. That's going to give us 20 5/8. And we want to be able to transfer that measurement to the inside of the cabinet. So we're going to go 20 5/8. And then I'm going to measure on the inside of the cabinet, and that gives me 20 inches. And then I'm going to go on the inside of the cabinet here. We're going to mark over 20 inches, and that's exactly where our screw's going to go. And we need one at the bottom, and we're going to put one at the top. Alright. We're perfect.
Trust the old clamps.
Clampy. Clampy. Get the clamp in there. Go ahead. Just losing everything here. Up. Get a screw right there.
barely hanging in there. Dig down on one of these. Go over that little lip.
Do you have a lighter, Clancy?
A lighter.
Seriously. You want to check for a leak? This is the best way.
Okay. Oh, stand back.
It'll just come out the side. It has to like accumulate before it becomes dangerous.
Yeah. It's
So
just,
he's adjusting the stove. The bracket. I was gonna say bracket moved.
it's on there. All right, Lisa. Well, that's a wrap. And you guys can come back and join us anytime.
Join us. Thank you.